If the audio on YouTube TV keeps cutting out, dropping randomly, or going silent during playback, you can fix it quickly with a few simple steps. This issue is usually caused by weak connections, audio format mismatches, or device glitches. Here's how to solve it. Step 1. Restart the app and your device. Close the YouTube TV app completely, then open it again. If the audio still cuts out, restart your device, whether it's a smart TV, Roku, Fire Stick, Apple TV, or a phone. This clears temporary glitches that affect audio playback. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Weak or unstable Wi-Fi can cause audio dropouts. Move closer to your router, restart your modem, or switch to a 5 GHz network for better stability. A strong connection ensures smooth audio and video. Step 3. Adjust your TV's audio format. Open your TV's audio settings and check the sound format. Try switching between stereo, PCM, Dolby Digital, or auto. Some soundbars or receivers can't handle certain audio formats, which leads to audio cutting in and out. Step 4. Reconnect your audio device. If you're using a soundbar, Bluetooth speaker, or AV receiver, disconnect and reconnect it. Try using an HDMI ARC or eARC port for a more stable and reliable audio connection. Step 5. Toggle surround sound in YouTube TV. Open your profile inside YouTube TV. Go to Settings and find the Surround Sound option. Turn it off, then turn it back on. This refreshes the audio format YouTube TV sends to your device. Step 6. Update your app and device software. Make sure both the YouTube TV app and your device software are updated. Outdated versions often cause random audio drops or compatibility issues. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more helpful YouTube TV guides.